Happy Saturday, guys. Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Stas here, and in this one, like you guys saw in the title, we're going to break down 3 oversold stocks I'm watching right now. We're going to break down the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do, but first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe, and guys, come on, get your 30 stocks for a moo. Open up your account using that link right down below, and once you deposit at least $100, let me zoom in here and show you guys, you get 5 free stocks, and once you deposit at least $2,000, you guys see right here, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash right now will earn up to 8.1% APY. Guys, it's a no-brainer, so use that link right down below or go to stasurfest.com/moo. And with that being said, guys, cheers. Let's dive into it. So, man, what a crazy week we just had in the stock market and a crazy end to the week, guys. We were up across the board, I'm pretty sure, on Friday. And then we got news, I believe, of the Trump tariffs. There's a lot going on right there with that, which we're not going to get too deep into in this video. But essentially, that is causing, that along with other things here are causing, selling in the markets. Really, it's just that. I mean, look, we can see the headline. Trump says we will put tariffs on chips and oil and gas, says oil and gas tariffs by February 18th. And I'll do another video going deeper into this, guys. So don't forget to subscribe. Be in touch with the channel. Stay tuned. But yeah, that caused the entire stock market to get beat up yesterday, guys, after we had a pretty good day, right? We had a very good day at that. To begin the day on Friday. And you guys see for yourself, SPY went from 610 all the way down to 598 as of the aftermarket. That is roughly a 2% drop there. And QQQ, let's pull this up and take a look. This went from 531 at the high yesterday to 519 after the bell. We're talking a 2.3% drop, guys. Yeah, so big drop. Same with the Russell, Dow, you name it. The VIX went up, right? The VIX, where did it go on Friday? I'm sure it went up a lot. Yeah, from 1490 midday all the way to 17. That was a 15% pop on the VIX. So, yeah, we get it. We get it, Stas, right? That's probably what you're saying. Markets were red. We get it. We got beaten up on Friday. Trump's tariffs, oil, gas, chips. What the heck's going on, right? So let's break down a couple of stocks here, 3 in particular that I think are oversold. Maybe a rebound could be coming. Some might rebound sooner than others. I mean, we don't know for sure exactly what's going to happen, but let's just get into it. Number 1 is DECK, D-E-C-K. This is Deckers Outdoor Corporation, and this stock's down $60 per share in just 2 days of trading. Yes, you heard that right. From 230 all the way down to now 175 roughly. So we're down 23% in 2-3 days, guys. And this is after the company reported earnings. Let's take a look here, guys. It was a couple days ago. GAAP earnings per share came in at $3 versus the $2.55 expected. Sales $1.83 billion versus $1.73 billion. So a nice double beat for Deckers Outdoor. And if you guys don't know, I mean, they own brands like Hoka, right? UGG, you guys see right here. And let's see here. They see full year 25 revenue growth of 15%. They see full year 25 EPS of $5.75 to $5.80 versus $5.54. Pretty good. Deckers guides for full year EPS of, I just said that, on revenue of $4.9 billion, which is in line with the estimate of $4.9 billion that the analysts were having or that they had for the full year. So guidance was pretty good, guys. Hoka brand net sales increased 23% to $530 million. UGG brand net sales increased 16%. Teva brand net sales decreased by 6%. Not too sure what Teva is there or Teva. Either way, the stock's dumping, guys. The stock's dumping, and I feel like this will get bought up. I really do. And we're not getting it yet. I mean, we went down 20% on Friday, guys, so keep that in mind. That's rough. So we're not getting buyers to come in yet. This is still a falling knife. Keep that in mind. But I'm looking at this like eventually, in my opinion, buyers will come in. They will, I think, right? If we take a look here, right, we're very oversold. More towards the bottom of this channel. And again, it's a death, not a death cross yet, but it's a falling knife. We're very oversold at the same time, but we have to wait for the buyers to come in. I think anywhere from 170, 175, that could occur, right? That could occur. So Deckers Outdoor Corp, the company's growing. Hoka, UGG, you name it, they're crushing it, no doubt. I mean, that's part of the reason why Nike has been struggling, right? Have you guys seen Nike stock compared to Deckers? Yeah, there's a lot of other alternatives now to Nike that people like more than Nike, right? Hokas, you got On Cloud, you got frickin' Asics, right? Who owns Asics? I forget at this point, but yeah, whatever. So Deckers, definitely worth watching. Adobe is also worth watching. We do have a golden cross in the making right now, guys. Still obviously very beaten up here on Adobe. But we do have a golden cross and an inverse head and shoulders. Do you guys see this? Sort of, kind of. Left shoulder. You got the head right here. Boom, right? You got the right shoulder right here. You guys see that? So I think it's not fully breaking out yet, but Adobe, guys, it's getting there, man. I think if we take out the mid 400s, let me do this right now. 450 mark is that we're above. I'm putting my alert there. If we're able to break out of there, which not only was the high from Friday, but also from back in the middle of December, early January, right? 450. If we're able to get out of there, guys, this could be a big mover, man. Who knows? I mean, it's not there yet, but it could get there. And this has been on my watch list for weeks at this point. It's very beaten up, and I think a reversal is coming in due time. And last but not least, guys, WBD. Let's pull it up. Warner Brothers Discovery. Let me clear the drawing set a bit. We're looking a bit wonky on here. But this hit 1270 back in the middle of December. And then it got beaten up a bit back to the single digits. 940 is where it hit. 26% drop. And since that point, we hit that about 10 days ago. By the way, guys, happy February. I almost forgot. Happy February 1st. Like we say in Greek, Kalomina. If you guys are Greek out there, anybody, let me know in the comments. But yeah, it's the first of the month. Happy first month. Kalomina if you're Greek. And yeah, man, here we go. So WBD is starting to break out of both moving averages here, right? You can see we're about to get a golden cross. We're moving past the $10 level. My alert's at 11. We're not fully out of there yet. $11 is the high from early January, like I said, end of December. So if that breaks, it needs to break, that would be a spot where I'd go long, right? That's what I'm waiting for. And I think at that point, momentum could really start pushing us up back to the mid 11s, high 11s, back to $12. That's what I'm thinking here, guys. That's what I'm thinking. So, quick video here on Saturday. Nothing too crazy. Those are three stocks oversold that I'm looking at. Adobe, Deck, right, and WBD. Keep those on your watch list, and please do your own research, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure to subscribe here on YouTube, and before you click off this video, snag up your free stocks from Moomoo. Check out the link down below. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash right now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, it's a no-brainer. Check out the link right down below or go to StockSurfS.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.